so filled up, I'm shaking all the time, man. It's like, it's just too exciting to be true. Well, I think like those kids really, they really feel what they love. They really feel, they're not playing with it, you know what I mean? I've seen people say like, oh, I like this kind of music, but their hearts are not in it. But you can see their hearts written on their face. You know what I mean? I look down in their faces, it's like a magic coming out of their face, you know, like talk about soul, bro. That's what soul is all about. It's just a signal. Don't take it. It's just a signal. Don't take it. It's just a signal. Don't take it. Let your mind go. Enlighten me to your thoughts, dreams, and fantasies. The soul is the breath of life that comes from the flow of all things belonging to your soul.